This is what we recorded for you this morning. It is mid-April in Wisconsin, and we are having a blizzard. It started snowing last night, all night through, and then this morning, all morning. It is afternoon now, and it's still snowing. We have so many migrating birds here already that came back, and I don't even know what they all are. There are sparrows, there are thrashers, of course juncos, and so many of them make a pause here on their journey up north. So of course in a blizzard they are not flying, and so they are all here and we are feeding them, and the sound of their song is so beautiful that I just recorded it for you this morning, and it's so joyful. Like, do you have any points of view about a blizzard in mid-April? What if we stop that and we just listen to the birds? They are outside, you are not. You are most probably somewhere inside where it's warm. They are out there and they are singing the most beautiful song, their spring song, and it's very joyful. So I stop talking now. This is a recording for you to enjoy the sound. And truly, what if we never, ever stop our joy? What if we don't allow anybody and anything to stop us from being joyful and grateful and loving life just the way it is, just as it is so beautiful every moment? Enjoy.